Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome to Disney's EPCOT.
We are here today because it is the last showing
Of EPCOT Forever. I know,
It
the end
says
is here.
EPCOT Forever, and it's not forever. But guess what? We're gonna record it so you can watch it forever and ever and ever and ever.
Right.
Forever and ever.
So we're gonna take a tour around the World Showcase, maybe get a bite, we'll see. We're excited about the last viewing of the fireworks. We can't wait to show them with you, so come along with us as we explore. So stopping in the camera center, we just found some new magic bands.
Yeah, these are kind of cool because they're like the slap ones. I do have a Mickey one like this. So a trick is if you have like an Apple Watch or a band, you can slide these off and put them on your band as well.
Nice.
And like have this.
Yeah,
So it's like two ways to wear them.
I kind of like this one here with the Kylo, Darth Maul, and Darth Vader. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Of course, baby.
The child.
So I think while we wait for the fireworks, we're going to take a small stroll around World Showcase, taking the sights, sounds, and the crowd levels, and see what's going on.
Yeah, we might only make half a round around the world. Half a way around the world. But hey, that's the fun of it.
Yeah. So if you're looking for a French beret, stop here. France. If you all set for Ratatouille. All types of colors. You got pork. You have yellow. You have purple. You have blue. You have black. You have mustard. You can accessorize the beret.
Fall,
Here in
spring,
France.
summer, winter. So as we're strolling EPCOT, we see that they're practicing maybe for tomorrow with the fountains. Kind of neat to see. We've been seeing the floating, we call them the floating tacos out there for a long time. We're excited to see the show. I'll have to say the evenings here are getting quite nice. We like to call this summer junior. So the mornings are a little bit cool, and in the afternoon when the wind blows, oh, it feels so good. It's like a little bit of air conditioning. So if you're planning on coming down pretty soon, you have some beautiful weather to look forward to. I have to say, EPCOT is always so beautiful, but at night with the lights, it adds just a little bit of extra magic. So if you can, when you come on your next stay, make sure you come in the day, and then also make sure you leave enough time to come in the night.
For the last night of EPCOT Forever, I have procured myself a celebratory harp.
Before you take a sip, hold on. Just look at the fill level. I mean, like,
They weren't joking.
they are not going to skimp out on
No,
this.
they were like, it's time to celebrate. Harmonious in a day. Goodbye forever to EPCOT Forever. Cheers.
Cheers.
Can't beat a harp. Best beer in EPCOT right here. Cheers.
into the future, we hope you'll continue exploring, creating, and discovering wherever you go. Remember, it only takes one little spark of inspiration to unlock the possibilities of tomorrow. From all of us here at EPCOT, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
Well, everyone, I think that's going to do it from Epcot.
We hope you had some magical moments along with us.
Yep. And we hope that you enjoyed seeing Epcot forever for the last time. Yeah.
Sad,
It's sad,
story.
but to new beginnings, right? And Harmonious is right around the corner. The 50th is here. So we're excited to share that whole time with you. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, hit like, subscribe, and until next time, bye.